Hey everybody, I am Alan Farner, and this is the second, number 2, in the Y videos for trigonometry at Indiana University East. This time we're going to answer, why is a full circle 2 pi radians? Why is a full circle 2 pi radians? And let's go over there. Before we get started, let's talk about pi. Do you like I don't want to use the red. I used red last time. Let's go ahead and make pi black. Okay? What is pi? Well, what happened is, many years ago, somebody figured out that every time you took the circumference of a circle and you divided it by the diameter, so let's take this, right? So here's your diameter, and your circumference is all the way around like that. Every time you did that, you got this really weird number. And the number started off as 3.1415, and that's all I can do. But it's a never-ending, never-repeating decimal. It's an irrational number. And they decided at some point to call this circumference divided by diameter, they decided to call it pi. Easy enough. So far, so good. Now, what is a diameter? Well, a diameter is the entire distance. What about a radius? Well, a radius is, you could say it's half the distance, but it's from the center of the circle, the length, to the edge of the circle. And this is the radius. So we know that a radius is the diameter divided by 2, or the diameter equals 2 times the radius. Okay, so let's come back over here. Let's change our colors now. We'll go ahead with this blue one. So now we know C over 2R equals pi. Right? Good? Seeing something coming yet? So now let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 2. And you get that the C, the circumference, divided by the radius equals 2 pi. And now you know why there are 2 pi radians in a full circle. Does that make sense? We good? Okay, the purpose of these videos, it's not so that you need to memorize the why, but the hope is that if you understand why, then it'll be easier to know how to apply it. Got that? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one.